Quick Power Query tip. You have a data set where your first row is actually your column headers. What you can do is you can say transform, use first row as headers. It will promote the headers. Okay, now the problem is this very first column, that in my data set will be dynamic for each file I upload. So I don't want it to be portfolio 1 January. I want that to be something like file name. And you see when I did that rename, it basically hard-coded that first part of the file name. So when this file name changes, this query will break. So how do I fix that? How do I make that dynamic? I'm going to say table, column names. Yes. Yeah. And now it returns all the column names of my data table. As you can see, there we go. So I know this very first one is what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to put in curly brackets 0, which is the first one. And I say, okay. And now that gives me my first column name. I'm just going to copy this out. And now, going back to that rename columns thing, that hard coding there, you can just take that and replace that with the dynamic thing that we wrote over there. And there you go. It's now dynamic.